lift it up, and then tape it up to your eyebrow like this. So a lot of people ask me, how do you blink with your eye taped up? I need to blink. We are blinking. It's just a reptile blink. Reptile blink. This is called your bond and seal. The bond is the glue and the seal is what you put on your lashes when you're all done. It looks white, but it dries clear. We are going to start by coating our entire lashes with our bond, which is our glue. A lot of people will tell you only to put the glue on the base of your lashes. My technique calls for, like a recipe, my technique calls for putting the bond all over your lashes from root to tip. This is what's going to make them last a lot longer. No, it does not cause any damage. As you can see, my lashes are very long and healthy. As long as you're careful when you remove your lashes, there will be no damage. Once you coat your lashes with the glue, let it sit for about 45 seconds to get tacky. You don't want to grab your lash from the tip because that's going to rip the lash in half. They're very fragile. So you want to grab it from the base of the lash like this to ensure that the lash does not rip. Now I'm going to transfer it over. Remember, we dipped this in water already, or you lick it. And now you're going to grab it by the tip. When we're doing the outer corner, we tilt our head. We need to make sure this fake lash is at the same angle that our natural lashes are. So what we're going to do when we apply our lashes, we're going to get as close as we can to the bottom of the root without letting it dip inside this pink waterline, because if it gets in there, that's what's going to hurt you later on throughout the week. So we're going to get it as close as we can, but without actually touching the pink waterline. See that? It's not actually in the pink waterline. It's just sitting right above it. Okay. Click that follow button, guys. If you don't follow me already, we do an in-depth cluster lash tutorial here on TikTok Live every single weekend. Place it side by side. So far, we have on 18, 18, 16, 14. I'm going to angle my head all the way this way. And you are going to go in and pinch all of your lashes. So we have to pinch. We pinch all the way up. This is going to make sure that the lashes and the glue are integrating in with your lashes. And you're just going to take a tiny, tiny bit of the seal and tap it over the base of your lashes. A lot of people don't realize that the seal makes your lashes hard as rock. So you don't want the seal to go all the way up your lashes. And you are going to pinch your lashes yet again. So we pinch the lashes before we seal and after we seal. Before you're finished, you're going to take a Q-tip, either lick it or dip it in water, and you're going to swipe that waterline. So even though your waterline looks clear, chances are there's some residual glue or seal in there. Lash reveal, lash reveal. Lash reveal, lash reveal. Beautiful, natural cat eye lash.